This is the CloudKey Plus UCK G2 SSD controller, or the CloudKey 2. At the back, we have the power button, a reset button. There's also a Type-C USB port that can power on the device with a adapter. We have a Ethernet PoE port as well as another Type-C. And at the front, you have your display. It is a compact UniFi console for powerful multi-application and site management. It does include a full UniFi application suite to manage your devices. You can connect and power on the controller using PoE, and there's an app where you can use Bluetooth for instant setup. The UniFi application suite has a few key features like the UniFi network. Now, this lets you manage your Wi-Fi access points, switches, routers, and other network gear. You can monitor traffic, configure settings, and troubleshoot problems. Next, there is the UniFi Protect, a system to manage security cameras and video recordings, turning your UniFi device into a NVR, or network video recorder. You can view live footage, record video, and even get alerts. There's also the UniFi Access. It controls door access in buildings, useful for offices. You can manage keycards or app-based entry, view logs, and control who can enter, when, and where. Next, there is a UniFi Talk, a VoIP, voice over IP phone system. It lets you manage phones, users, call routing, voicemail, and more all over the internet. Now let's talk about the networking interface. It works with a Gigabit Ethernet cable. The form factor is clearly small, so it can sit on a shelf. And additionally, you can purchase a rack mount kit that is available on the UniFi website if you want to install it into a server rack. Let's talk about the specs. It has a Octa-core ARM processor, fast CPU for handling multiple UniFi services. It has 32 gigabytes of eMMC storage, which holds the operating system like the UniFi OS. We also have 3 gigs of RAM for running apps smoothly. There's a 1 terabyte SSD pre-installed, which can be used for your security camera footage via the UniFi Protect application previously mentioned, and for system logs and backups. The max power consumption is 9.6 watts and is powered by a PoE or with a USB-C quick charge power adapter. That's 9 volts DC at 2 amps. So not any power adapter can work. Keep that in mind. UniFi's recommended operating temperatures are 0 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The operating humidity is 20 to 80%. The company I work for use these controllers on multiple sites to manage wireless mesh networks and for MAC filtering to safe list hundreds of devices, only allowing company laptops to connect to our network. So if you ever worked with a UniFi console, let me know what you think about this device.